Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Outlook mail. There's a lot of cases that your inbox is already full or there's just a bunch of mail that you cannot delete one by one. So to bulk delete it, just go ahead and proceed with pressing the Control A button on your keyboard, and that will mark all of your inbox messages. And once you do that, go ahead and hit empty focused. And there you go. Your inbox will be cleaned and it will go to the deleted items. If you want to remove it to your deleted items as well, press Control A and go ahead and hit empty folder. There you go. I hope that this video helped you. See you in my next video. Bye.